Alright folks, I ain't going to be able to do much of a long video. This is Club Variety Club I mean. I've got it working, but I didn't know with MPU4s that all the switches were stuck on the front, so I'm just pressing that in a minute. I don't know what I'm doing here. Alright. Super nudges. So I'm pressing you gamble. Alright, climb. Auto nudge. I don't know which the exchange button is. Alright. There you go. I know nothing about club machines. The trouble is all the I'll show you. So all the lamp masks are off on here, but I've had to unplug all the buttons. I'll show you. They're all solid. They're all up. Oh, that one's okay. That one's solid. That one was solid, and the machine won't boot up. Obviously, it won't boot up while the buttons are stuck in. As I found out, and I didn't know that with MPU4s, to be honest. I thought that was only anyway. It doesn't matter. So, super nudges. Yeah, it's not going to pay out because it is in door open mode, but I'm not too bothered about that. Alright. Yeah, it's coming up there. 30p. Or respin at the cost of one nudge. How do you respin this? Alright, the one that's flashing. £2.50, I'll take that. Like the music? YouTube first? But it's not a proper video, is it? Alright, money link. I guess you can exchange. Alright, okay. Can't exchange. I don't know. Well, it seems alright, doesn't it? It's going to have some work on it, obviously. But again, it's basically working. Alright, we're back on the super nudges. I like the tune. Right. That's typical PCP sound, isn't it? Right, I've got two choices here. I can see two are flashing. Collect, scan board. Oh, it's alright, so we've got the original button under there. Dun, 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 dun. So, club machine, folks. Unusual for Steve's Fruities. But there you go. And I got this for a tenner. But I had to go to Paul in Dorset, it cost me a blinking fortune. But I got it for a tenner. The original board is faulty. The reel drive's too... it spins at reels 1 and 2, but it won't spin at reel 3 or 4. They're very slow. So if you're watching Stuart on Star Leisure, this is actually one of the boards that you gave. Well, I bought a few. So it doesn't like the Mod 4. The sounds are all over the place, even with the Mod 2. The Mod 4 I've got, it has got the Mod 2 chip in it, but it's got P on the end, and this doesn't like it. It's all scrambled. It's got, as you said before, Jono, if you're watching, I'm sure you will at some point, it's got to have the A. It's got to have the A on the end. It's 5p a play, by the way. So it's £80 jackpot, obviously, for 5p a play. So I can't lose this. Spin to win. Oh, there you go. Or exchange for free run. It's got loads of sounds, isn't it? Ah, super nutties. There's no win. So I'm going to have to respin. Oh, I knew you went to it. I need to press the actual button. Quite musical, isn't it? If you're watching, Nick, it was originally a stake up. Yeah, it was originally a stake up. It's got a nice reel deck, nice and. Yeah, it's quite nice. I'm not a club machine fan at all. I would never buy a club machine, but I quite like this. I reckon I could find room for this. Sorry, Ian. Especially something as tuneful as this. Yeah, so what I'll do when I go from here, I'll take all the, I'll have to undo all these and take the buttons with me and give them a good clean, get all the crap off them so that they're, before I put it back together. I just wanted to see it working. I thought I'd share with you folks. Some of you might be interested. I don't know why it has reel 1. Unless there's a problem with the button. Yeah, there might be a problem with that button. That seems to be holding reel 1 every time. Where's the cancel on these? Right, that end. Sorry, it's a bit haphazard, this video. Can't just keep automatically holding reel 4, can it? Where's the little switch? Yeah, look. So I reckon that switch must be stuck in. Or faulty. Trouble is I need 2 hands. So it's holding reel 1 all the time. That's all. No problems. Is that it? There we go, that's it. Payment time. Okay. There you go. I don't think there's much point doing much more of that. There you go, Variety Club. I've not seen what the display says yet because the glass has been facing down. As you can see, I've got a bit of work to do on it. Obviously, it's got a dodgy button or a wire loom or something. The lamp mask need putting back on. I thought it would say stuff in there. I thought it would actually say welcome to PCP rubbish. So there you go, that's a YouTube first. I'm not going to class this as a YouTube first till it's actually playing and paying out properly. So I've got some lamps there and then put it back in. I mean, obviously in the conversion process, I've cut them. They've been neatly cut, and there's been some neatly cut on the top there. There you go. Anyway, folks, that's Club Variety by PCP. First look. See you soon.